This tutorial is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your website on demand. And don't forget, subscribe for more tutorials.
Hi everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to post blogs via email. So there's a few different ways you can do this. WordPress does have a default way. I'm not going to show you how to do that way simply because it's not very secure and not very flexible. Another way you can do it is via Jetpack if you have the subscription for Jetpack. I don't have the subscription and some people may not have it, so I'm not going to show you that way either. But if you do have a subscription to Jetpack, you can definitely post blogs via email right from the Jetpack app. One way I'm going to show you to do it, however, is through the free plugin called Posty. So if you go to your plugins, add new, and just type in Posty, it should pop up right here. So what you're going to want to do is install and activate this plugin. And then if I go to the plugin itself, you're going to see a lot of different options you can set up email. I found that the best way to do this is to create a free Gmail account. That way, if you have a bunch of people using this and that want to post blogs to WordPress, you have just one email. They all kind of have access to it. You don't have to deal with your private email address. So what you're going to want to do is create a free email through Gmail. And then you're going to want to go to settings. It can be found through the cogwheel right here. And then you're going to go over to forwarding and pop/IMAP. And you're going to want to make sure that IMAP is enabled. It's disabled by default. Okay, so enable that and then just save your changes, and then you can go back to the Posty app and set this up. So what you're going to want to do is keep it as sockets for the connection, change this to IMAP /SSL, and change the port to 993. And then the mail server is going to be imap.gmail.com. Okay, and then you're going to enter your user ID for this. This is going to be your email address that you've set up, and then you're going to enter your mail password. And then you can just kind of play with all these other settings if you want. A bunch of different settings here. There's, as well as if you go to user, you can select different roles that can post through this. You can set up how the message looks. And then also your images, your video and audio, etc. You can change all these settings, just kind of play around with it, see what looks the best to you. And then after you kind of set up your mail server, you're going to want to save your changes and then go to test config. If everything's good to go, you'll be able to start immediately posting from that email right to your blog. So, but make sure that, you know, whatever you post on that email or whatever you write on that email, it's going to post to your WordPress. So make sure it's only used for posting to WordPress. If the test config fails, it may be because Gmail has blocked it. So you're going to have to go into your Gmail account and mark it as a safe app to use. And also you can kind of see up here, I have a warning, the default poster is not a valid WordPress login. This is only because I logged in through my hosting panel instead of actually entering my WordPress credentials. So make sure you do that, enter through your WordPress credentials, and it should be good to go. And then you'll be able to post blogs straight from your email into WordPress. I hope that helps, and have a great day.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, please subscribe. And if you need extra help, visit AskQuesty.com and send us your questions.